beef and chorizo burgers and crushed crispy potatoes. So we're going to lightly crush whole medium potatoes that I put into cold water, covered them by 2 inches. I'm just flattening them out and kind of splitting them a bit, okay? So all you do is cook medium potatoes until they're barely fork tender. Then drop them into the strainer and just let them cool a bit, just enough to handle them. We're going to season the potatoes themselves liberally. These guys go in the oven until they're nice and brown. Now for the burgers, for 4 large adult patties, 1 pound of 80-20 ground sirloin. So this is 20% fat, 80% lean. This portion of the dish I seasoned with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. I'm letting it kind of soak in there, and a little salt and pepper. This portion of the dish is 1/2 pound. I'm just gonna pull my rings off here so we can mix this. This is 1/2 pound, 1/2, 1 whole, 1/2 pound of fresh, uncooked, raw chorizo. So once we mix, but not over mix, look what we're gonna do. Put the meat into an even circle and score. Then we know we're taking equal portions every time. Okay, so now see what we have? 4 burgers, same shape, same size, little bit thinner at the center. And now we're going to turn the heat up just a hair on the cast iron skillet that's been preheating, that's been seasoned with oil every time we put it away. And we're gonna add 1 more little tiny spray of oil when we put the patties in. That's our beef and chorizo patties. Just gonna rinse up real quick, and then we're gonna make the chimichurri special sauce. 1 cup super packed, equal amounts of cilantro and parsley. 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano, or like a small handful. 1 shallot and 4 cloves of garlic. Boom, into the food processor. Oh, I can mix the dressing back in this bowl. Leave it there. Then we're going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons, depending on how spicy you like your food. John and I like things spicy, I'm gonna add 2, of red pepper. Just crushed red pepper flake. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sherry vinegar. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of pimenton, or smoked sweet paprika. Salt and pepper. There's our base completed. And then to the chimichurri, we add about 1/3 cup of ketchup, just like we were making ketchup, relish, and mayo or sour cream. I prefer sour cream. Is your base of most special sauce recipes, right? So we have about 1 cup of sour cream, about 1/3 cup of ketchup, and our amazing chimichurri. That is some special sauce. Okay, guys, checking the potatoes. I browned them first, then we covered them in cheese. Again, this is queso fresco, Monterey Jack, and Parm. Any easy melting cheese you like in any combo you like. I was also in the middle of building our burgers. So I gave John Kaiser, I prefer brioche. So we pile up lettuce, tomato, onion, and then, of course, our chimichurri special sauce. Oh my God, I'm shouting. I'm so excited about it. I'm shouting. I'm so excited about the chimichurri special sauce. Let's top our cheesy 3 cheese potatoes with scallions. And I think you guys are gonna love this burger night.